Hey friends, if you wish to fix the 0x87dd0003 error on your Xbox app on your computer or on Xbox One, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the resolutions have been given on support.xbox.com, and this is an authority website. If they are giving a solution, this solution is the one which will work. Now the solution is to check the Xbox server status because the server may be down, otherwise it will usually work. So go to this website support.xbox.com, Xbox live status, or simply search for Xbox server status in the search bar and click on this Xbox status page. Okay. If it says all services are up and running, not a problem. If it's limited or a major outage, then you'll have to wait. But other than this, what could be the issue? The issue can be only be with the Wi-Fi connection. In this case, search for fast.com in the Windows search bar and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? Is it at least 20 Mbps? If it is, then okay. If not, then I'll tell you what to do further. So first of all, switch off your modem, router, and computer. Switch on your modem first, wait till the lights are stable, switch on your router, wait till the lights are stable, and switch on your computer. The next solution will be to bring your computer closer to the router, and then if you have a 5G network, like I'll show you here, we have a 2.4G network and a 5G network. Try connecting to the 5G network first. So this will also help you solve the problem. And other than this, you can also contact your internet service provider about the internet speed. In case you are using a cheaper plan, you may have to buy more bandwidth to increase the internet speed. And one thing that I always try is the network and internet troubleshooter if it still exists. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and corresponding to network and internet, click on run. The next solution will be to reset the network, and that will fix everything. So right click on the start button, select settings on the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings in the right pane, and click on network reset, and then click on reset now, and then click on yes, and it will reset all the settings, but it will also reboot your system, so be prepared for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.